Hello everyone, welcome to this project called AI Writing Assistant using MERN stack, and that is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js utilizing OpenAI large language model called GPT-4o mini. And the purpose for this project is to correct grammar, advanced spell checker, and intelligent rephrasing. By the end of this project, you can utilize any large language API to build your future project. Before that, let's see the live demo for this project, and we are going to implement authentication using a third-party library called Privy. Don't worry, we will get into code, but before that, let's look at the live demo. And before using this project, unless you log in, so if I click on the start writing now, it has presented to me the login in or the registration page. So in here, I'm going to log in by using any of these login authentication methods, either by my email or Google, or by using a wallet, or we can sign up using GitHub or Apple, and also by SMS. So I'm gonna log in using my Gmail account. Alright, I have successfully logged in, and these are the interface for this application. We have the input field, and this is where our approved corrections will appear. I'm going to enter some text with some grammatical errors. For example, it says that, how are you today? Let's add today. So I'm going to check the spellings. And here it says that, how are you today? Let's eat today. And let me check the grammar errors. And it has given me the correct grammar for this. And I can rephrase by highlighting it. And I have the rephrasing here, and I can go ahead and rephrase, and these are the possible sentences. So assuming that I like this one, I will accept it and it will appear here. Likewise this, and likewise one of these. So guys, this is what we are going to build. It looks simple, but we are going to learn a lot. And before continuing, I will urge you to subscribe, comment, and like this video to promote me to do more videos like this. With this one being said, let's get into code. Before that, let's look at the logic behind this application. For this application, we are going to have these components. The first one is our front end using React, and then Node.js for our backend, and OpenAI model for the main logic. So now we are going to tune or fine-tune OpenAI to perform the task that we want. So in here, we're going to implement a logic or a prompt to check for grammar, and then for rephrasing and spell checker logic. This is what we call the prompt engineering, of which we are going to give it to this AI to be able to perform what we want. Now, after we have prompted or fine-tuned OpenAI, it is time for us to use our backend to consume these logics. This means that we're going to have an endpoint that's going to consume this logic called grammar checker, likewise the spell checker, and then the rephrasing. Well, we can directly allow our React application to consume these logics or the endpoint. But why do we need backend or Node.js in the mix? Having our custom backend to consume the OpenAI endpoint will give us more flexibilities, and also it can help us to add more advanced features. For example, in case we want the user to log in before using this application, having your backend is the best way to go. And let's say that we are going to turn this project into a SaaS project. This means that unless a user subscribes to a plan before using this application, then having your backend is the best way to go. So by the end of this project, you can enhance this. And also, in case this video got more views, likes, I will add more features to it. So let's say that we are done with the backend implementation. Now it is time for the user to use our project. So first of all, when the user click on the grammar checker, it will hit our backend. Then the backend will direct that request to any of these endpoints to retrieve the result. That's all what we are going to do. Alright, so let's get back to code and then do something with it. We are going to use Node.js, and in case you are not familiar with Node.js, then you can check my MERN full stack course. Alright, then we're going to use Vite to generate our React application, and Privy is going to be our authentication method for this project, and then Tailwind CSS for the UI, React icons, and I have already prepared the final repository for this project. And then we need to have an account with OpenAI.